bar is, whatever direction the top bar is. Like that. We need some more pressure on that. We're gonna get something. We just got that air compressor come out here, so it's not that.
Do me a favor, John, when you do the next bar, I want you to do one here, one there. I want you to skip a bar.
Okay.
And then skip a bar. I just want to see how strong they are, how they're holding.
Oh, okay.
So walk on the slab, the vibration.
Sure.
That's too much.
So that's why every connection has to be appreciated.
Right.
We have 50 million clips.
Another Now you see how it'll kind of straighten the bar for you too. That's nothing about the jaw, so it's gonna.
Oh, it's getting on the bar.
Brother, it's broken. Okay, so
Brother, it's broken.
Yeah, some of them right now, because we had a company mold these for us real quick. If they don't dry the polycarbonate, the plastic this is made from, they don't dry it for 4 hours before they mold it, it makes it a little brittle. So don't worry about that. Our production clips, you can't break them. They're very, very strong.
That's the bit we want to. That's why I asked you about the middle bar.
Yeah.
Because we do alternate twice. You do every second or third bar.
Right. Okay. Right. Right.
So I just want to see how strong they are and how they hold.
How much for this? Penny. There's no trick to it. We're starting to
Shall we go? Yeah. Jesse, can we go left?
You want to have go ahead? That's right. Hold the trigger until you just set it down onto the bar. There you go. You can just line it up. Just set it right down onto it. There you go. Just like that. This one. Oh, here. That's probably the air pressure. Let's see. Yeah, you're good. That little tank doesn't have much air. Yeah, you know. There you go.
Step up for a second, Jesse. Just want to sit on normal chairs to see how easy it is to get the gun down. If there's enough cover.
Now another thing, you know, when you do your wire, guys, you know when you do your wire, you're tying diagonal. If you're moving any match, you know they rag like this. The nice thing about these clips, you're doing saddle tie. You got 4 corners, keeps everything nice and square. So if you are moving the mats around, that mat is going to lift them. It stays nice and square for you. And it is more than
Billy, just want to thank you for your help today, man.
My pleasure. Thank you.
So how do you take it off? How do you want to take it off?
And just grab that little bottom bar. There you go. That's that air. Okay. That's just this little air tank.
That's what we want to see.
Look at both ends right there. How many tops in one clip?
Still use 2 hands, Mars, one on the gun, one on the bar. That's it.
Get it? Okay.
Keep going.
You gotta hold it. Oh, you got the last clip. Here, grab one more rack. And always leave one. Always leave you one there so you know that you're done. Just like that. Oh wow. Line it up. You gotta line it. Just set the jaw down on there. There you go. Line it up. There. That's it.
John, will it take on the chair? Can you clip onto the chair, maybe? Or you can?
Do what now?
Can you clip onto the chair? Should be able to take a chair on.
Well, no, he wouldn't be able to grab the chair. It might, I don't know. You could try.
I think we're both fucking for you. The chair.
Oh, won't bend around that little wire. There, you got it.
So it's fairly good for conventional straight car.
We have a battery. This right now, we've got a battery gun being made right now. So we have the air gun right now because we're testing the nozzle right now. So the air gun was easier to hook up to. So that's the reason we got to set up that way. Here we go. Nice thing is easy to jam.
Good idea.
It's easy. It's not like wiring company. So go ahead. What were you going to do? Now this is the newer one. Then we have one coming after this in 2 more months. It'll have the battery set up and everything. So this is just prototyping. So this was the very first one we built right there. That gun right there. Very first one.
So if I squeeze this, it's a trigger.
Yeah, it would fire a clip out. Yeah. I mean, it's plastic, but still. Yeah.
In production, it won't.
There you go. Now we can try this one. This one is just a basic prototype. Hold the gun. Oh, this got a different tip. We gotta change that tip. Somebody got a wrench.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
You want to go ahead and try some more right here? Yeah. There you go.
We can't get enough of it. It's not enough question. There you go.
That little panic. Yeah, give it a try again. There you go. Now you take this, lay it on there, and shove it in. There you go. I mean, you can see we have up to number 6, 3/4 inch, which would be what, 21, 22, 20. Did you see how fast? Did you see how quick he's putting those joints in there? Look at that. Okay, you just need another rack.
Some more from the car.